Welcome back to Good Church Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about Wi-Fi is not working on iPhone and how to fix this up after the iOS 15 update and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So the first thing, when you're having this issue, what you have to do is, if you're connected to the Wi-Fi already, as you can see that if you're connected to the Wi-Fi already, I'll be connecting here. So if it is connected into already, what you have to do is, and you're having an issue on the Wi-Fi, the first and the foremost step what you have to do is you just have to turn on airplane mode, and you have to wait for around, I have to say, at least 1 minute, and you just have to disable this, and you just have to go for the Wi-Fi. And in the same time you have to be alert of the cellular data. As you can see in my phone, I have not inserted SIM, but in some cases people will be having a tendency of connecting the Wi-Fi as well as cellular data. So I request, when you're having this kind of trouble, just turn off cellular data and use Wi-Fi. This is what you have to do. So this is the first step what you have to do. And moving on to the next solution is all about, what you have to do is, you just have to go over here, just have to tap on settings. Now from here, what you have to just have to scroll down here at the top and tap over here on the Wi-Fi. Now from here, as you can see, these are the available networks right now on my iPhone. So I have to tap on I icon over here at the top. Now from here, I just have to scroll down here, and I have to make sure that low data mode is turned off. I have to turn this off. Okay. Once it is done, I have to go back and see whether the issue is solved or not. And also, after turning the low data mode, I have to go over here and I have to tap on forget this network, and I have to forget this network, and I have to reconnect it back and see whether the issue is solved or not. This is what I have to do. Moving on to the next solution is all about, from the setting itself, I have to scroll down and I have to navigate to screen time. I have to navigate to over here on the screen time. Now from here, there is an option called content and privacy restrictions. I have to select this. Sorry, I'll be selecting this. From here, there is an option called content and privacy restrictions. So I have to make sure that this is turned off. This is very important. I have to make sure this is turned off. And once it is done, I have to go back to the settings itself. Now from here, I have to check whether I am the latest version of software. So I have to check whether I am the latest version of software. So I have to go for it. As you can see, I'm up to date. And also, apart from this, we have few more methods. You just have to go to general. From here, you just have to scroll down and you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here, there is an option called reset. You have to tap on this, and you have these available options. You have to go for reset network settings. Once done, they'll be asking you the passcode, so you have to give the passcode and you have to reset all these things. And once it is done, you just have to go back and see whether the Wi-Fi issue is completely solved or not. And even after trying out it's not working, then I suggest you to do a forced restart. To do this, you just have to press volume up followed by volume down button, press and hold power button unless and until you see the Apple logo, and this is what you have to do. By doing all these things, most probably the Wi-Fi after iOS 15 update will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.